How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly use Morph Testnet, or more specifically, Ethereum Sepolia Faucet. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So I'll be walking you guys through the world of cryptocurrency pertaining to Ethereum Sepolia, and as we go through the innovative testnet and lock its fundamentals together, I'll be guiding you through how to use this exactly. So before we dive into the nitty gritty, let's understand what Ethereum Sepolia Faucet actually is. So in essence, it's pretty much a sandbox environment designed for those developers and enthusiasts and who are curious to experiment with Ethereum's capabilities without risking any real funds. So think of it as a test space or a playground where you can test your smart contracts, explore new features, and hone your skills in a safe and controlled environment. So it's kind of the whole idea here is kind of like trial and error to see which methods work, which formulas work, and which don't. So it's all about getting used to cryptocurrency and Ethereum in this case. So we're learning the ropes and learning the fundamentals. So with all of that said, let's actually talk about the first step in mastering Ethereum Sepolia, or better known as Morph Testnet. So, by accessing it, the process is pretty straightforward. So you guys will need a compatible Ethereum wallet, something like Ether or even MetaMask would work. So a compatible Ethereum wallet and some testnet Ether to get started. So one of the easiest way to obtain testnet Ether is through a faucet. So the faucet serves as a gateway to the testnet, allowing you guys to request testnet Ether to use in your experiments. So let's walk through the process of using the Ethereum Sepolia faucet morph. So step one, you guys want to open your browser and you want to navigate to this website right here. So that the URL goes faucet.quicknote.com, and then it's followed by /Ethereum/Sepolia. So once you guys are here, you guys want to connect your Ethereum wallet here to the faucet by clicking on the Connect Wallet button. And then you want to select your preferred wallet provider. So step three, we're going to, once we're connected, we're going to basically specify the amount of the testnet Ether that we would like to receive. So be mindful that be mindful not to receive excessive amounts, as there may be limits imposed by the faucet. So you want to input a realistic value that's actually valid in a real world practice in cryptocurrency. So once you guys are through that, you basically want to complete any CAPTCHA or verification prompts that would come up on screen, just to prove that you're not a robot, or at least someone who's, or just to prove that you're not someone who's trying to abuse the faucet. And once you're through it, you want to click on Request Ether or a similar button to submit your request. And once you're done with that, congratulations. Your testnet Ether should now be on its way to your wallet. So now that we've funded our wallet with the test currency, it's time to put it to good use by deploying some smart contracts on the Ethereum Sepolia faucet. So or the testnet, I should say. So whether you guys are testing a new Definance protocol, or experimenting with NFTs, or building the next killer DApp, the testnet provides a safe and risk-free environment to do so, as I've said in the beginning of this video. So let's actually walk through the process of deploying a simple smart contract on the Ethereum Sepolia testnet. So number one is we want to write or obtain the solidity code for your smart contract. For this example, let's deploy a basic token contract. So once you're done with that, you guys want to compile your Solidity code using a tool like Remix or your preferred development environment. And once you guys have compiled all of that data, you want to deploy the contract with to the Ethereum Sepolia testnet using your Ethereum wallet. And you guys will need to specify the contract's bytecode, constructor arguments, if there are any, and the gas limit as well. So you want to set it to realistic values as if it were a real application. And step 4 would be to confirm the transaction and wait for wait for it to be mined. So since this is a testnet, transactions typically confirm much faster than on the mainnet. So once mined, your smart contract is now live on Ethereum Sepolia's testnet. So you guys can interact on it, or rather, you guys can interact with it just like you would on the mainnet, but without any real financial risk, which is awesome. So once you're through that, you guys are done. You've successfully navigated through Ethereum Sepolia's testnet, and you've deployed your first smart contract. But the guide doesn't actually end here. So the testnet actually offers a wealth of advanced features and tools for you guys to explore and experiment with. So these features pertain to developer APIs, debugging tools, and advanced contract analytics and monitoring services and whatnot. So this is pretty cool. So among those, there's also the Ethereum Sepolia test space, which we just used, and it pretty much has everything that you need to take your blockchain development skills to the next level. So whether you guys are a seasoned developer or just starting out, or you're basically an NFT novice, there's something for everyone to discover on this exciting testnet. So with this knowledge, you guys have a I would say a competitive advantage in the blockchain, as the testnet has unlimited possibilities for, well, like the name suggests, testing. So another thing that I wanted to bring up is when you guys may encounter the problem of your balance not being detected by the system. So you want to make sure that all of the bridging configurations are correct, and the reason why, if you guys were to load your wallet with some testnet currency and it cannot detect your balance, is because there's probably something wrong with the RPC settings of your Polar network. So on MetaMask, you would have to change your SEO RPC settings manually to what you are seeing on screen. So one way to do this is by refreshing the website and seeing whether your balance is now showing for you. And after you guys initiate the transaction, it's going to take at least 20 minutes before this transaction is completed. So if you switch over to the withdraw tab, you're also going to bridge your MOR back to SEO. So this is going to require you to switch your network to MO. So tap on switch, and over at Sepolia Ethereum, however, you need to take note that the gas fee itself is 0.05. So you would have to put that in before you send over your font to MO, because out of the 0.1, you cannot have it bridged up to 0.5 because the gas fee will overlap with bridging. So Sepolia now is working its magic in the background, so you're going to have to wait for about 5 minutes before you guys can do the next step. However, you can just tap on view account to see what you need to do in order to have things move along much faster. So 5 minutes later, to confirm this transaction, you would want to switch over to BNB mainnet right now. So you guys can tap claim and receive 10 tokens, and you're done with the testnet interaction. And yeah, there you guys have it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.